Hey everyone, this is your trainer from the Electronic Service Division of the Akron County Library. In this section, I'm going to talk about fill handle or automatic fill, one of the Excel functions. When you select a cell, you will see the little tiny square at the bottom right side. That is the fill handle. If you point to that, your mouse would turn into the dot plus sign. What does fill handle do? The fill handle can be used to continue a series. Whenever the content of the row or column follows a sequential order like numbers 1, 2, 3, or days like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, the fill handle can guess what should come next in the series. In many cases, you may need to select multiple cells before using the fill handle to help Excel determine the series order. However, if you use cells that contain text, just like this, or a number, just like this fixed number, fill handle would just copy the content of the cells below. So let's give it a try. So I'm going to select the cell number A7 that has the cell content is a text USA. If I point my fill handle sign and if I hold down my left mouse button and drag it down, the remaining of the cells will be filled with the same content of that cell A7. It would happen the same thing if I had chosen the next one, cell B7, because it is also a text. So I'm going to point to the fill handle, drag it down, I get the same result. Now pay attention to the next one. This one has a date, July 16, 2003. So Excel could sense there is a date and there is also a sequential number for any date. So if I point to the fill handle, if I hold down my left mouse button and drag it down, I will be getting the following dates in sequential 7/17, 7/18, so on and so forth. So that's what the fill handle is all about, and you will learn more about filling the sequential or filling the series in my next sessions. Thanks for watching, and this is from the Akron County Library Electronic Service Division.